A quadratic function is in intercept form when it's written in the form y equals a times x minus p times x minus q. So when it's in this form, we're actually given and can pull out and plot the x-intercepts right away, and then we can use those x-intercepts to find the vertex or the center of the parabola. So your x-intercepts are p and q. So if you notice in the equation, similar to the vertex form equation, it's really minus p and minus q, but the actual x-intercepts are positive p0 and positive q0. So same thing. What happens is the x minus is really just kind of part of the equation, and the actual x value itself is the p and the q. So when you're finding the vertex is always in the center of wherever those x-intercepts are. And so if you're trying to find the middle, all we're going to really do is essentially take the average of the two x-intercepts, or of the two x-intercepts. So you take whatever you find to be your p and q, your two x-intercepts, you add them up and divide by 2. So once you get what that x value is, you plug in x to then get the y value of your vertex, and then you can plot it. So in your example over here, say this was 1, 0, and this was 3, 0. A possible equation could be y equals x minus 1 times x minus 3. Your two x-intercepts would be 1 and 3. So yes, in the equation it's minus 1, minus 3, but the actual physical x-intercepts themselves are positive 1, 0 and positive 3, 0. So you find the middle, so you can either visually look at it sometimes and find the middle, or you would add them up and divide by 2. 1 plus 3 is 4, divided by 2 would be 2. That's where this axis of symmetry would be. So you would have to plug 2 back into that equation to get the y, is what would happen there.